Um, Hello fans. I'm not doing any music right now because I have an issue with my computer. It makes strange sounds. So I thought I'm going to do without the music. I'm going to do the next couple of videos for you to enjoy, for you to know that I'm actually here right now with you all. And I'm not just somehow somewhere else or whatever, but yet I'm still with you. So these are the things that I've done all this time that I haven't been online. So look at this chap. So here it is. So he's got a head, he's got a nice hair, a nice smile, a nice shirt, nice background I've chosen here. This is a wall hanging. It took me a couple of weeks to make it because it's got a lot of detail, and I think it's cute. Don't you think so? So can you imagine, it's every single knot had to be done by hand and had to be done by the order of a pattern. So it's not something that you just do so simply and quickly. It's something that takes quite a bit of time to do it. And this is how you hang on the wall. Excuse my finger, I had a little accident in the kitchen. So this is what I've made, and I really like it. I actually hang on the wall, and you can see in my videos and in my mom's videos, this hanging on the wall, hanging on the door, wardrobe door. So it's a new little addition to my family, a new little addition to my home. This is what I believe is a stork, also made with knots. It's a stork, maybe a flamingo, whatever you might think of, however you may call. And this took me a day to make, and I actually put on Etsy for sale for very cheap price. So if you're interested, you're welcome to buy it. Don't be surprised that it's cheap, because the thing is, because I'm new to Etsy, I thought I'm going to please my fans with the better prices, because I'm just beginning to sell some of the things that I've done. So I thought I'll do extra good prices for you to enjoy my items at home, and for you to think of me by having such examples in your home. Why not? Look at this. It will look nice in the bedroom, in the bathroom, even in the kitchen, anywhere would look nice. Look at this beautiful thing. This is another one that I've made. It took me also quite a bit of time to make. These are oranges, 3 oranges with like a twig or something like that on a tree. As you can imagine, it's like a part of a tree, like how the oranges grow. And I thought I'm going to use a very bright orange to accentuate them, and I thought I'll do a very strong green as well, to kind of focus and accentuate with this background, with this light sensual pink background. And that's how you hang on the wall, is with this. So this is what I call like a little painting. It's like a little painting, but made with threads, yarn. So this is one of my hobbies, as you can see. Enjoy it.